Konnichiwa, Satoko desu. Welcome back to Japanese World Academy and happy Halloween, everyone. And do you like my Halloween shirt? I got this shirt in Cancun when I was there for 1 hour. I don't think it is a Halloween shirt, but I really like it. And my courses are starting November 14th, and I want to make an announcement for Halloween special discount. So email me directly at info@japaneseworldacademy.com and I will give you a special discount for my courses that's starting on November 14th and then the 15th. 14th is a Hiragana course, and then 15th is the crash course for beginners. Both of them are 6 week long, intensive, immersive, lots of fun. So email me at info@japaneseworldacademy.com, right? Looking forward to meeting you guys all. And let's get the lesson started. Today, we're going to learn how to write hiragana. We came a long way here, okay? And we started from vowel line, right? A, I, U, E, O. And we moved on to K line, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. And we're gonna put the two dots on the top, and that would become G line, ga, gi, gu, ge, go. And then we moved on to S line, sa, shi, su, se, so. And then we're gonna put two dots on the top corner and become Z line, Z line, za, ji, zu, ze, zo. And we have to be careful with the G, right? It's Z-I. You may want to pronounce it like Z, but we really pronounce it like G, J-I. And then we moved on to T line. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. So this line, we have to be careful with the second one. Chi, you may want to pronounce it like T-I-T, but we really pronounce it like C-H-I, chi. And then also zu as well. Tsu as well. It's T-U. You may want to say tu, but it's really T-S-U, tsu, okay? And then if you put two dots on the top corner, that would become D line, da, ji, zu, de, do. And then we have to be careful with the second one. It's not D-I, you pronounce it like J-I, G. Exact same pronunciation as a Z line, G, okay? So different hiragana, same pronunciation. And then the third one as well, it's D-U, but we pronounce it like zu, Z-U. So same as a Z line, zu, okay? Different hiragana, same pronunciation. And then we moved on to N line, na, ni, nu, ne, no. And then this line, you don't put two dots on the top corner. This line is as it is. And then moved on to H line. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. And we have to be careful with the fu. Remember, that's H-U, fu, but we write it like F-U, but we don't have F pronunciation. We don't bite the lips there, right? So make sure you blow the candle and then say fu, fu, okay? And moved on to B line. Sorry, if you put two dots on the top corner, that would become B line, right? Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. And then this one, H line is a special one. You put circle as well. And circle, that would become P line, right? Pa, pi, pu, pe, ho. And then now, we're doing a new line here, which is a M line, right? Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. And we are doing mu today. So this is a mu. It looks like those snail, right? That's kind of, it reminds me of. And this is actually a little bit difficult to write. Even for me, it's not my cup of tea to write this mu, actually, to be honest with you. But let's start from horizontal line here, horizontal. And then we're gonna do a cross. And then when we cross on the bottom, you're gonna have a little corner there, technically. I kind of lack it sometimes, but little corner there, and then you're gonna circle it and cross that vertical line, and you're going to write the floor. You're gonna go on the bottom there, and you're gonna have a tick. So 3 stroke. 1, 2, and then tick, and then 3. That's a dot. So this is the mu. You can think of it like snails, mu. Okay. And now we're gonna learn some vocabularies here. So the first one, this is mu, right? And do you remember this hiragana? That's the S line. That's a shi. So mushi, mushi. It means insect. And also it means ignore. So if you say mushi, mushi, it means insect. And if you say mushi, mushi, it means to ignore. So, same words, but a little bit of accents different. Mushi and mushi. Okay. And moved on to next vocabulary. This is mu. And then this one is K line, right? That's ka. And then this one, of course, we just did it. That's shi, right? So between the mushi, which is insect, if you put ka in it, that would become long ago. And if you double the mukashi, long ago, and if you say mukashi, mukashi, it means once upon a time. So on the story, like a fairy tale stories and stuff for kids' book and stuff, in English, we say once upon a time. In Japanese, we say mukashi, mukashi. So that means once upon a time. And next one this is mu. And then do you remember this? This is the G line, right? G line. Gi, gi. There you go. Gi. So mugi, mugi. It means wheat. And then the last one, this is mu. And this one is, I know this one, sometimes it gets confusing. Ne, nu, and then ne are confusing ones. But this one is ne, mune, mune. It means chest. So now you have it. So how to write hiragana, mu. And make sure to email me, okay, guys, directly, info@japanesewordacademy.com. And I have special offer for you and just for you, okay? So I'll see you guys on our next lesson. And I'm looking forward to meeting you guys all on a Zoom call or my lesson starting on November 14th or 15th. I can't wait. Jenny, bye-bye.